All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, there's no intake on there. I'm going back with the original throttle body, truck throttle body. I'm gonna use this one. Drive-by-wire. I got all the pieces to the puzzle. Here's the this is the damn, I hope I don't need to replace that. Well, anyway, this is just to control whatever they get for the pedal right here. Let's see, I know I got some, I don't know if this goes to the pedal. Oh no, this is outside probably. And I got the old harness right here. So I get all the pieces that I need, or connectors that I need. This look like this shit right there. Well, that's to the drive-by-wire or whatever. I mean, throttle body. This might go to the throttle body, but I don't know. I'll find a piece somewhere. Somewhere in here. That's my computer over there. And I actually just went and bought a standalone harness because I didn't feel like reworking this harness, but I'm still gonna keep it. Just put it in the corner, bag it up, just in case I need it later on down the line. Also, I'm gonna take this Chevy this Turbo 350 trans out of here because I got a 4L80 over there. So I decided while I was wiring up the car, I might as well get all these pieces to the puzzle. So I feel confident that I'm gonna be able to get this done. I'm gonna put that intake on sometime after the New Year's. Yep, today is New Year's Eve, y'all, so put the intake on. I'm gonna take the trans off first, then put the intake on. So I got a lot of work ahead of me. The trans is for sale. And I gotta do some, I gotta use, make new brake line. I mean, not brake lines, but gas line. Get some new some fittings to go on here. Get some new fittings for this. I'm gonna order them. Just make sure I got all my hoses and everything. Everything seems to be here, or be all together. Injectors. Let me see what's on the other side. See how the bottom look. It's not warped or not. I'm gonna scrape that off. I got some screws around here. I mean, some bolts around here somewhere. That goes to that. Must be back there. Okay. Injectors. All this coming off because I got new wiring. That right there. Hold on. Drive-by-wire. All right, let's see how this works. It's a lot of work, man. I'm gonna put I'm putting knock sensors in there. I bought knock sensors, so I'm gonna remove the valley cover and put knock sensor back in there for the harness. Then I got to get my PCM flashed, VATS delete, and all that old good stuff. Yeah, man. That trans coming away. Yeah. tighten everything back down. I gotta get some heat for this garage, so then I'll get back to work. It's a lot of snow out there. I was cheap, you guys. Shit. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on the harness. That's the pedal. So I don't know, I might have to buy a wire for that. I'm gonna lay all this shit out, man. It's next week sometime. Identify everything, whatever I need. Yep. I'm pretty sure that's it, but looks like they cut the other piece. This right here went to the pedal. So I might have to buy that. This one right here. Yeah. I think this just goes in to the computer and this goes out to the pedal. If I'm wrong, correct me. Yep. First things first, we got to get that trans out, put the new trans in. Then I'll put the intake on. That way I ain't got to reach behind it. Put the wiring and the intake on. Then from there I'll do the drive shaft. So that's my update. Okay, y'all. Now this is what's confusing me right here. This connector right here. I don't know what the hell that's for. I know this is for the motor, and this is for the evap or MAF airflow sensor or whatever. But I'm not I need to find a connector for that, because the way it's looking on here, wait, no, it's on the harness. But yeah, I need to identify that connector for this type of throttle body. Make sure I got the right harness. But everything seems to look pretty good. So if it's your first time here, I appreciate it if you subscribe and look out for the swap, the intake swap, and tranny swap, and I guess that's it. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, just doing a test fit of the drive-by cable throttle body in the Nova. Seemed like it fit pretty good. I ain't gonna close the hood right now. I got these damn lights, but yeah, she in there. Yep. Yeah, I have to go back with the original look. I'm gonna clean it up, shine it up, and then put it back in here. Wire everything up. This cable is gone. All this gone. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna sell the kick down cable along with the trans when I do sell it. I need to take some pictures of it because it's still on the car, but it'll be off pretty soon, man. Well, it looks like I got the right harness, blue-green drive-by wire, so I'm good on that. Just disconnected the PCM. Get this programmed. Let me put this back on here. I'll do it later. Okay. They got a side mark with blue-green, so. All right.